Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to unsubscribe YouTube channels. So let's go to YouTube first. Then you'll find here subscriptions. Click on this. Then just choose any channel what you want to unsubscribe. Like you have already subscribed in this channel. So if you want to unsubscribe it, just click on this and you can see here subscribed. Click on this drop down menu and you'll find here unsubscribed. Just click on unsubscribe and confirm your unsubscription. Just click on this and your channel is now unsubscribed. Okay, another thing you can do is if you want to subscribe or unsubscribe specific channel like this bright side, click on the specific video or any video, then you will find here subscribe. If you want to subscribe it, just click on subscribe, or if you want to unsubscribe it, just drop down menu, unsubscribe and done. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.